Listen closely, because what I'm about to share with you can completely reset your body in just 3 days. I'm not talking about the usual so-called cleanses that leave you weak, sick, or disappointed. I've tried them all. Some knocked me out for days, others did absolutely nothing. But this method, it's safe, it's powerful, and it works fast. If you've ever felt stuck, bloated, or constantly low on energy, your liver might be the hidden reason. And this is the one method that actually gives it the reset it needs. Stay with me until the end, because missing even one step could mean the difference between real results and yet another failed attempt. And before we dive in, smash that like button and subscribe to BioMind Zone, because what you're about to learn is something no generic detox program will ever tell you. Your liver is your body's main detox organ. It processes chemicals, medications, alcohol, and other toxins. But it does more than that. It also clears out dead cells, waste, and harmful microbes. Inside each cell, there's a tiny structure called a lysosome. Think of it as the cell's garbage disposal. It breaks down damaged tissue, viruses, bacteria, and other waste, then recycles them into new cells. This recycling process is called autophagy, and it's essential for maintaining youth, energy, and overall health. Now that we understand the science, let's explore the most effective ways to trigger autophagy, starting from mild triggers to the most powerful. There are 7 proven ways to trigger autophagy. Phytonutrients. Certain plant compounds gently stimulate cellular recycling. Think colorful veggies, herbs, and antioxidants. Ketogenic diet. Reducing carbs and increasing healthy fats shifts your metabolism into fat-burning mode, which supports autophagy. Exercise. Physical activity not only strengthens muscle, but also signals your cells to clean up damaged components. Sleep. Deep, restorative sleep activates autophagy naturally. Calorie restriction. Eating slightly fewer calories encourages your cells to recycle old and damaged components. Water fasting. Consuming only water for a set period triggers a stronger autophagy response. Dry fasting. This is the most powerful method. Abstaining from both food and water for a limited time can stimulate autophagy up to 3 times more effectively than water fasting. You might be wondering, is dry fasting dangerous? Let's clarify why short periods are not only safe but extremely effective. Even 12 hours of dry fasting, from sunrise to sunset, triggers a remarkable cleansing effect. Your liver and kidneys get a much-needed break. Your immune system becomes stronger, inflammation decreases, and you gain mental clarity. You'll also experience deeper sleep, which extends the natural fasting benefits overnight. And the best part? It's completely manageable. You don't need days without water, just a single 12-hour window. Once your fasting window ends, it's time to support your liver with the right nutrients in one concentrated meal at sunset. We follow a simple OMAD approach, 1 meal a day at sunset. This meal focuses on 2 main components, cruciferous vegetables and high-quality protein from meat. These foods activate liver detox pathways and support autophagy. Let's break down the best vegetables to supercharge your liver cleanse. Cruciferous vegetables are among the most potent liver-supporting foods. Include broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, kale, arugula, bok choy, cabbage. Broccoli sprouts are exceptionally powerful, 20 to 50x more potent than mature broccoli. Fermented options like sauerkraut also support gut health and digestion. Next, let's talk about protein, the other half of your sunset meal. Meat provides essential amino acids. Glutamine, for example, helps produce glutathione, the body's strongest antioxidant. It neutralizes free radicals and protects your cells from damage. Meat also supplies iron and B vitamins, which are critical for efficient liver detoxification. Now, let's see how combining dry fasting with this nutrient-rich meal transforms your body's detox pathways. Combining dry fasting with one nutrient-dense meal helps cleanse the liver, kidneys, and entire body. For optimal results, repeat this 3 days per month. Over time, this practice improves energy, mental clarity, and reduces chronic inflammation. Some people worry about detox reactions. Here's how to prevent them safely. Detox reactions often happen when bile ducts are blocked. To avoid this, take biosalts or the supplement TDK, include beets to thin bile naturally. Small amounts of apple cider vinegar with water can help flush sludge. These steps allow toxins to flow freely and prevent constipation or discomfort during your cleanse. Many people feel relief within hours. Finally, let's touch on the liver's detox phases and why they matter. Liver detox occurs in 2 phases. Phase 1 converts toxins into less harmful compounds, and Phase 2 neutralizes them for safe elimination. Understanding and supporting these phases ensures a smooth, effective cleanse. Let's recap everything before we finish. Here's your 3-day liver cleanse blueprint. Dry fast, 12 hours daily. Eat 1 nutrient-rich meal at sunset. Include cruciferous vegetables plus meat. Support bile flow with biosalts, beets, or vinegar. Repeat 3 days per month. In just 3 days, this method enhances liver function, kidney health, immunity, mental clarity, and overall energy. If you try this cleanse, share your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more videos for science-backed health tips. Your body will thank you for this reset. This is BioMind Zone, where longevity isn't a dream, it's a choice. See you next time.